Route and routes. We're getting ready to do some more bike riding.
Oh yeah, I'm ready for it.
Starting to warm up a little bit, but it's shady. We're gonna show you some footage where it's nice and shady. We're gonna go grab us something to eat. We're gonna show you that too. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm searching for some blessings.
Right. So stay with us. Here we go. Stop right up here for a second. Stop right here on this. Right here. Well, we made it 7 miles, right?
Yes, we did.
And the river. Check out the river.
Yeah.
Nice, ain't it? Beautiful.
Take me to the river and wash me clean. Finding my blessings. I've been found. I woke up this morning with the rising of the sun, air to breathe, and the birds singing. What a beautiful day. I'm still searching for more because greater things are yet to come. And I hope y'all find them too.
That's right. We're downtown, North Augusta, and it is muggy. But other than that, this is downtown on the river, North Augusta, right here. Beautiful. North Augusta takes care of this centerpiece. And I guess pretty much the sidewalk over there. But they do a good job. And the local SRP park, Green Jackets, we're heading that direction. Oh, and if you look across the river, that is downtown Augusta. That's their frontage over there. Anyway, we're heading to get something to eat, right?
Oh yeah, you're me. I'm ready. Where we're going? Let's go to the Your Pie will be good. Get us some pizza at Your Pie and be blessed. And I know greater things are yet to come.
That's right. So we're going to Your Pie. That was kind of loud that went by. So anyway, that's where we're going, to Your Pie.
Y'all hope y'all receive the blessings.
That's right. Hang tight. And we're going to show you some more. Well, your pie. Full, right?
Yes, I'm very full. Good and blessed.
I'm glad we got electric bikes. We got several miles to go to get back. So anyway, this is downtown North Augusta. Busy traffic. But we're getting back on the Greenway, right?
Yep, back on the Greenway.
Okay. Well, hang tight. We're going to give you some more.
Be blessed.
Be blessed. Well, we finished that ride.
Oh yeah, that was a long one, but all done.
Sure is.
Ramping up in the heat too.
Yep. And 15 miles.
Yeah, 15 miles.
15 miles. We stopped. Got some lunch.
Right.
Your pie. And look, here we are. Look. That's them. That's us. So we're enjoying the electric bikes, right?
Oh yeah, very nice. Very blessed to have them and get them, and searching for my blessings today, and still searching. Great and mighty things on the way.
That's right. So subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. We got more coming your way.